Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove input delay and increase your performance in Fortnite. First thing that you want to do is click on the Windows button in your bottom taskbar, then click on settings. Here go to system and go to power. Here make sure that power mode is set to best performance. Next you want to go to gaming. Here you want to click on game mode and make sure that it's turned on. Next you want to go back to gaming and make sure that you click this graphics and search for the app you want to use, so Fortnite. You want to click on it, click options, and here make sure you select your graphics card, not anything else, so high performance, and you can see my graphics card, so you will select whatever graphics card you have. Click save and you can now close this. Next you want to check for any Windows updates, so as you can see here I have an update, so click on everything that says install or something like that. Go back to your system and go to storage. Here click on temporary files and remove files. Now this will remove any non-used files or any files in your trash, basically clearing up a lot of the space on your computer, making it run more smooth. So the next thing you want to do is click on your Windows button again and type in GeForce Experience. Click on that. Now if you don't have this, you can install this. I'll put the link in the description and click on it to launch it. Now it takes a couple seconds to start. Now once you've launched your GeForce, you want to go to drivers and you want to make sure that you check for updates, so as you can see, and you have the newest driver here, so click download on that. That will download the newest driver and make sure that you get rid of any unnecessary lag spikes or performance drops. Go back to home and click on Fortnite, click on details, and then just click on optimize. All this will do is basically remove any unneeded options and increase your performance. Next you want to download this app called Time Resolution. So all you have to do is open any browser of yours, so Opera for example, and type in timer resolution. Now the first one that pops up, just click on the link and it should take you there. So yeah, and just click on download, let it download for a bit. Yeah, latest, and now it should just start downloading. So as you see, it just downloaded. So once you download it, just click on it twice and it will come up with all the options to install it. Now what this app does is it basically reduces the response time of your monitor, making your game feel more sharp and fast. Now before we get into the in-game settings and launcher settings, you should definitely note that installing one of these two ping reducers apps like Exit Lag or Euro Booster will reduce your ping by a lot, even though you have to pay for it. Trust me, it works. I use it and it reduces my ping by a lot, and it helps me take walls and everything. It really improves your performance and ping. Now open up your Epic Games launcher, go to Fortnite, click on these three dots, then you want to go to options, and you want to make sure that the only two options here turned on are Fortnite Core and Battle Royale and pre-download stream assets. This is because you don't need DirectX 12 shaders, and all of this takes up a lot of space, and also languages, like it will make your game run less smooth, and by enabling this it will run your game better. Okay, so now let's go through the in-game settings that you should change to get better ping and performance. So first go to settings and go to video. Then you want to make sure that you're playing on performance mode, lower graphics. DirectX 11 will increase your ping and decrease your performance, and you'll have less FPS. Now here, doesn't really matter what like brightness you have. I recommend turning all of this to low and near, because like even having this view distance on medium, it will actually like have a big effect on your game. And last thing, you may want to make sure that if your VSync is off. So then you want to go to settings and scroll down until you reach replays, and make sure that you turn all of this off. Now this season, replays really makes your game lag and crash and have like random freezes at all moments, so I recommend turning it off unless you're like a pro player that will VOD review every game, and only in that reason maybe you should keep it on, but in all the other reasons definitely turn it off. It will improve your performance by a lot. And make sure that this is very important, go to sleep mode and energy savings. Both this enable idle energy saving and enable inactive Windows energy saving. Make sure that all of that is off. That's really important. This will like make your game unplayable, freeze all the time, have low FPS, massive ping. Like it's very bad for you. And last thing, you want to go to account, and here you wanna turn off player surveys. Now this will like remove the player surveys, increase your performance by a bit, and that's everything in the game settings. Now after you've done all of these steps, your ping should decrease and your FPS should increase. However, if you're still running low on FPS, I suggest you change to stretch resolution. Now there are a lot of ways of doing this. Um, First you want to go to NVIDIA control panel, so just type this in, click on it, and go to change resolution. Now here you have all the different like resolutions that you can change to. You can also click customize, and you see I already have my own custom resolution, but basically you can create your own resolution if you want. There are a lot of videos on how to do that. Now if you do want to play on stretch resolution, for example, just let's pick a stretch resolution, so this one for example. um, so we click here, enable. Okay, so now I have it over here. So let's say I want to play on stretch, I will click apply. Now the screen will go dark here for a second. So now the screen should be stretched. Next thing you want to do is press Windows and R at the same time and type in percent local app data percent. Now this should throw you onto this page with all of these different folders, but what you're looking for is Fortnite game. Now here click on Fortnite game, saved, config, and Windows client. Then right click on this and go to properties and make sure that read only is turned off so you can actually edit it. And then you want to click on this game user settings, edit, and now like instead of changing it manually, so like scrolling down to wherever it says resolution, like here, and changing like all the numbers, you can just edit this and click replace. And for example, I've already done it before, so you want to type in on the top what you want to replace. So let's say 1920 by, and my new stretch resolution, which is 1720. Now when I click replace all, it will replace everything that says 1920 by 1720, and that will like pretty much make you play on stretch res. So after I do that, I'm not gonna do that because my Fortnite doesn't work like that, but after you do that, you want to click file, save, and you can close this. Then right click on this properties and put on back read only so it doesn't accidentally edit. After that, you can launch Fortnite on full screen and your stretch res will automatically change once you launch the game. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider subscribing and liking this video.